Instagram hack you won't want to miss. How to add your brand colors in Instagram to a story. So open Canva and then navigate to your brand kits, select your brand kit, scroll down until you find your colors, take a screenshot, then you're going to open Instagram, create a new story, choose the picture that you'd like. Now we're gonna add our brand colors as the second picture, and then we're gonna add our text. Now you're gonna select the color tool at the top and then the color picker. And then you're gonna go over to your brand colors. There you go. And then you can change it. This is the one that I usually use so that it's on brand for me. You can add more text if you need to and repeat the process. And then layer your text if you want to. And then once you're done, all you do is you delete. And now you've added your brand colors to an Instagram story. You can go ahead and share or save it to your camera roll to use as an Instagram reel cover.